I told my mother when I was 3 years old that I was going to be a doctor. So my mom was a OBGYN nurse practitioner. I always joked with her that I got involved in medicine through osmosis. Since I was 3 years old, that's all I've ever wanted to do was be a physician. Orthopedics, we are responsible for taking care of all the major joints in the body, as well as soft tissue injuries. We get the best trained orthopedic surgeons from around the country. They really love to be here. They love to interact with the patients and deliver high quality care.
And the goal here is to allow technology mapping to adequately design the knee. So we're able to design this knee not just with standard blocks, but now we can actually customize this knee to what that patient needs for a successful knee.
Technology has really changed the landscape of orthopedics. 20 years ago, with the technology that we had back then, a knee replacement would only last 15 to 20 years. Over the last 10 to 15 years, we now have implants that will last 30 to 35 years or maybe even longer. In addition to robotics, we also have high-level research that's going on, so we're on the cutting edge of leading the technology of tomorrow. We also take care of the Denver Broncos, so they only want the best, and that's what we deliver. We continue to recruit the best surgeons from around the country, bringing the latest and greatest technology to take care of our patients. CommonSpirit is very dedicated to not only patient quality, but patient safety. I think as a surgeon, that's one of the things that I love about our facilities.